Good afternoon, folks. I'm Dan. I'm working on wing root angles today to fit the wing root top skin on. There's an angle that supports it. It is, according to Zenith, it is 7V9-3A, which is this piece right here. I've already made a few marks on it, but it starts out life being 1,000 millimeters, developed length's 40, and it's got an angle to it, 30-degree angle bent into it, and it will fit right in here and curve around the top and support the wing root top skin from here down to here. So what they say to do to start with is you flatten 400 millimeters of it, and I've already done that. And they want an index line for your rivet line on the center. So once you get it underneath your rivet line, you can center it up like you do the rest of your ribs and everything else. You mark your center line on them, and then you can line it up through your holes in the top. So I've already flattened it. I've marked how far down I want it to go. I left myself a little bit extra because there's lots of room back there. But it will set in here, just like that. And then you'll take your crimping pliers, goes down about that far, and you just start working this outside edge to follow the curvature. And that's what I'm going to do this afternoon. Let me move the camera down a little bit so you get a little bit better view. Here. So it shows the 400 millimeters to go about that far, and then you just start crimping along the edge to get it. They say to mark where your crimps are in the top rib. I think as long as we've got our rivet holes there, we know where they're going to be. So we'll just crimp in between and just slowly work it around. We'll have to adjust this angle back and forth after we get it in there so our angle matches here. Well, we've tweaked that around a little bit. It looks like that lines up fairly well. There'll be a little bit more adjustments than when we fit the skin onto it. We still have to crimp the front edge of that support. They're showing 3 crimps. Yeah, they're showing 3 crimps, which will give you 4 rivets, I guess. I think that'll transition pretty well. I had planned on going ahead and installing the top root skin in this video, but it's turned out to be a little bit more involved and a little bit longer. Plus, I lost a little bit of footage in between, so I think I'll leave it at this, and we'll pick up with installing the top skin on the root in the next video. Thanks for taking the time to watch. If you like this video and found it helpful, please give me a like, consider subscribing, and share this video.